Okay, so we'll start with ITIL. Okay, so what is this ITIL? Is we'll see. Okay, so initially to understand ITL, so first of all we start with the okay IT organization. IT is a information technology. Is also a technology and as well as a business. Also a business, right? So Savantis IT business, HCL, IT business, Cognizant, IT business, Airtel, Internet service providing, IT business, um, Geo, Internet service provider, broadband connections, IT services, okay, Microsoft, IT business, Oracle, IT business, right? So, what is this business? Is by providing some services, right? It provide certain service means it is a by service provided to a organization. Thus organization can be IT organization or non-IT organization. For example, MRF. What is MRF? Tire manufacturer. Yeah, tire man Madras Rubber Factory. Okay, why I got MRF? Because Bridgestone. Okay, it's a tire manufacturing company. Tata Motors, car manufacturing company. Bike manufacturing companies are there. Mahindra trucks, Mahindra bikes, okay, Hero Honda, Hero, cycle manufacturing companies, right? Construction companies, okay, infrastructure buildings, constructions, metro constructions, railway departments, governmental, non-governmental organizations are there. Yeah, MRF bats from the MRF only. Okay, very good. Bat manufacturing company, ball manufacturing companies. These are all non-IT department. What is their services? They are not providing IT services. There are non-IT companies, but they also need IT services. What is IT services? Internet services, computers, routers, applications, applications. Right? Billing is right. You go to the DMart. You go to DMart. DMart is a grocery seller, right? It sells items, right? So it will sell all kind of stuff. But we need a billing software, computers, internet services. Okay, so like that, IT business used by IT companies and non-IT companies also. So what are the form of IT? Either it is internet service provider, or a application developer, or can be a anything. So why IT services needed to IT companies? Yeah, I already told. Basics of need, basics of Savantis. We need internet connection. We need a computers. We need a routers. We need a switches. We need a servers. So we have to get it from someone. So again, we have to provide a service to someone, right? So this is dependent. Next, initial days of IT development and IT businesses, what happens? There is no proper regularity. I will give you a very small example here to understand. Movies is a one of the example we can say. Another one is construction, buildings. Okay, someone is putting a music. I don't know who is. What happened? Yeah, very good. Okay. So, for example, movie budget. I want to make a movie. My budget is 10 crores. And after completion of movie, it become 30 crores, for example. What happened? War budget, right? So a plan is 100 crores. I have to finish. Sorry, 10 crores. I have to finish. It become 30 crores. Loss, right? Not good for a company. Okay. Or maybe I put a budget. For example, I want to release the movie by January 22. Okay, but I'm unable to release. I release in June or maybe April. So late. Problem like that. So whatever we are expecting to get the business also may failure. So I expecting by 10 core business or a 30 core business, whatever it is, my expectation is I'll get a 50 course by first day or a second day of release or first week release. But I got a only 7 crores only. What happened? I'm in a loss. Same goes for building constructions. Building construction. So I have to calculate properly. So how much for a land, how much for a total income I will get it. So how much investment on a individual items and what is the total investment and total return and when can I able to hand over the building to the customer. So I have to estimate properly and then have to do according to the planning. So if I'm not doing it properly, so what happened? Estimated cost, estimated budget, by finishing it is over by ending, and labor cost changes, right? So if you keep become a late, the bank interest is high. So it is very difficult to manage cost and construction and giving on time is very difficult. So like that same similarly for IT companies also face lot of issues earlier days. Okay, 1960s 70s, that time only it faced lot of issues. There is a telephone company in the UK. They started a process by observing outcomes of different IT organizations. Then they created a process, then it keep developing, and finally they make a 5 life cycles. They created a 5 life cycles and suggested to different companies and follow these 5 life cycles, and you will get business very good. It means you will be in the cost estimated. Okay, whatever the customer is need you can able to provide actually like that. Okay, and once you are done, so you can able to provide a service after sales kind of stuff. On time delivery is possible. On time delivery is possible. Any issue is occur, we can able to solve it, and we can improve our services much better than earlier. So these 5 things will be given from the some organization, means it is a whole observations from different organizations. They given a rules. Just I'm not telling ITL, it is there is a certain things you have to follow these rules, so then your business won't go drastically down. Okay, customer satisfaction will be improved because on time if you hand over the things, if they got any issue you can able to solve it, you can monitor it, you can solve it. Okay, and next level business, I started a business with a very small thing, and now for example I will give you example is AWS, right? Not AWS, Amazon. What is Amazon business? What is the starting business of Amazon? Anyone knows? Amazon starting business in the US. Book selling, very good. Book selling. They are start selling bookseller in online. Okay, lot of people criticize who will buy online books, but they make it possible, of course, by returning policy, on time delivery kind of stuff, right? Next, Amazon started with a web services portal. Okay, AWS web services. Amazon started not only that one, so they're selling now groceries, medicines, and through online they are selling media streaming, Prime. Okay, now they are mixing other media streaming in the Prime also. So they're elaborated means they started a business in a single point that keep developing themselves and providing multiple services from the Amazon. Of course, AWS is a separate one, but still the book selling, sales, electronic sales, laptop, mobile phone, the sales point increases. Of course, groceries also they are selling, and money transferring from Amazon to other banks, like that we can able to do it. Next one is media streaming is also there. Okay, so like that a business we started, we have to run longer period of time, just like Tata started before our independence only. They started 100 years back. The business is started. Still, they are going good, and as well as a longer period of time they are learning. Still in a very good mode they are running. Okay, so that is good way they are doing, right? So some of the people are there. Best example, business started, they close the business after 3 years. They started a business, it is going, they show it is losses, and they close the businesses. Where is a big FM, Reliance, big FM. Okay, Reliance Communications. Yeah, Amazon Music, Kindle, Kindle book services, audiobooks, Amazon. Okay, so that is by improve your service business in a next level. So what is this things are in a part? So one of the thing is ITIL. So I will explain what is this ITIL. ITIL is a most widely adopted approach for IT service management in the world. It provide a practical, no nonsense framework for identifying, planning, and supporting, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. So this is a very simple definition of ITL. ITIL provide a practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the businesses. ITL means infrastructure, information technology, infrastructure, library. First IT is IT, information technology. IL means, what is IL? Infrastructure, library. Okay. So what is the advantage of using ITIL? So why ITIL? So observing from lot of the businesses in the IT organizations, so it they created a framework. They created a framework. That's why it's a practical non-nonsense. Okay, a lot of people will tell it theoretically, like you use drink dryly 5 liters waters, you will get a reduced weight kind of stuff. It is a non-practical. Maybe practically they have to take check with a certain sample people, then only we have to give the statement, right? So same thing is in a ITL. It is practically they are approached and verified, practically it is applicable. Okay, there is a no nonsense thing means there is no problem in this kind of framework. So they design a framework to follow the framework. Identifying means identify what business you are doing, identify the service, identify the business, identify the customer or a client or a user. Plan according to the service request, deliver the service to the users, support IT services to the business is very important. Guys, anybody remember? Anybody remember Nokia feature phone. Nokia feature phone. Small phones. Okay, Noval, new generation. Okay, so small mobile phones are there. Nokia feature phones, small modes. That is a highly demanded phone. So if you want to buy a mobile phone that time, they said if you buy a Samsung or a Motorola kind of stuff, they said why you are buying this mobile phone? Buy a Nokia mobile phone only. Even it is a little costlier, better to go for it. Why? Because of there's a two reasons. One is the mobile phone will give you a longer period of charge. Like if you put a charging today, you'll get a 3 4 days of charging. Okay, and it is very strong mobile and very good in reception. And very important is if it is got a problem, you can repair anywhere. And Nokia directly provide a service. In a lot of service stations are available directly, and as well as anybody can able to repair the Nokia mobile phone. So that is a very good about Nokia. Another example, nowadays lot of petrol cost is very high, right? Yeah, that is a button phone, Nokia button phone, right? Okay, 1100. Okay, 1600, that models. Electrical vehicles are came, but still petrol price is high. And people are trying to purchase only petrol vehicles. Why? Because of people are not trusting of the service of electrical vehicle, because people who are selling the electrical bikes, they are not providing services immediately. Very less service centers are no service centers of certain models. So if something is happened, immediately something should be repairable. A repairing person should be there, but not available everywhere. Not mostly not available. So obviously, even a city range also not available. Most of the service centers of electrical bikes and service centers are spare parts. So what happens here? Compulsory, they are going with again petrol bikes, even the petrol prices increases, even though they have a conscious about all the other things. Okay, even electrical bikes comes with a high range bikes also came more than 1 lakh rupees. People ready to purchase, but problem is service. That is the main motto of any business. Is a service is the main motto. Okay, so here it is benefits of ITL. By following this, so what are the benefits of this ITL is improved IT services, reduce the cost, improve customer satisfaction, improved productivity, and use of skills and experiences. Train the people who are using, as well as a people who can able to repair, who can able, who are selling, salesperson, or maybe people who do services, or maybe next one is very important is people who use it. That is also need some skills, right? So means you have to train them how to use the product. When we are in a seventh class or eighth class, that time only we have a washing machine. So my mom not much aware of technology kind of stuff, very less. Okay, anyway, but when we go to the shop and the shop guy told us, she demonstrate how to use the washing machine. So she initially she don't know. So that is the first time we are using that too, very old days. Okay, so we don't know much about washing machine, how to use it. He told how to put a water and how to put a clothes, how much length, size we have to put it, how to put a dryer, like that. Okay, so if we need a train to the people who are using the our thing, how to take care of the things. And another hand is if something has happened, make sure that someone can able to repair it. Okay, can understand the technologies. So that is very important. So that will also will be improved because of ITL. ITL is not just supporting a business, it is an infrastructure library. What is a library? Everything will be noted down and put it into database. ITIL is the main thing is what is going on with your business. You should put it in a database. That will helpful for a next level. Even if you are going down or maybe you are going up, it is very useful to make it stable business and long term business you can able to do it. That's why I told one example is Tata, long term business. They started a Tata business from so many years back. Still, they are in the business. Still, they are number one in a business. Okay, so without any down there. Okay, but some people will come to the business and they gone into the business. With they vanish, just vanish from the business. So they don't. We don't know. Some people will continue in the business. Okay, so like that. That's main important. Out of 50 kind of people, I am getting only. So how many are there? Almost like a 51, right? And few people are absent. Kiran Kumar, Dinesh, and still okay. 19 is Jayasri. Very good, thank you. Um, Pravalika, Ganesh, but I am seeing here only 35. Not even a 46. Like 10 members are down. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, these are the benefits of ITL, IT services. Okay, improved IT services, reduce the cost, unnecessary cost on a customer care, or maybe unnecessary cost on a infrastructure. Like that, we can reduce the cost on the things. Okay, improve the customer satisfaction, improve the satisfaction, like that. Okay, so this is uh, basic introduction of ITL, but very important of ITL. There is a lot of things to discuss about when it is ITL came into the market, who is managing this ITL. There is no proprietary. It's a non-proprietary. It means if you want to use ITL, no need to take license from anyone. Okay, you can simply use ITL process for you. ITL is a process, guys. ITL is not a technology. ITL is a process to build your business or a continue your business or to provide a certain services. And ITL has a five life cycles. ITL has a five life cycles. These are the main five life cycles. So just five life cycles of ITIL. So what is this? Five life cycles of ITIL or a life cycles of ITL. Do not interchange the things because it's a life cycle, right? Service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, continual service improvement. Continual service improvement. What is this service strategy? Service strategy meaning is strategy. It means simply say planning. Simply say planning. Before you do, we do planning, right? So we'll first of all understanding your business, planning. Before planning, identify identify the business, identify the service. Customer is asking, I'm requesting my service provider, I want a internet connection. Identify the business, identify the service, plan for the service, how to give, right? Plan for the services. Identifying and planning is important here. Next, service design. Design the service. Very simple it is. Design the service, right? Using certain tools, how to give to the customer, how to put the wire, kind of stuff. Design the services. Service design is represented. Design the services like a blueprint. You know, construction companies we use the blueprint. Okay, or architecting. So how to put a connection, what is the room planning, or maybe what is the space provider, where is the windows are available, like based on that we have to design whether it is new or a old service. You have to design must. When we are putting internet connection in my home, so he's checking where is the flexible size and how much cable length is required. Okay, like that he will design. Service transition. Service transition means you have to build it, means start manufacturing it or start constructing it and deploy and give it to the customer. Start constructing, construct it. Once construction is completed, give to the customer. That is called a deploy. Deploy means hand out to the customer. Installations, these are all comes under deploy. Service operation, that is we discussed already. Service operations, I shared that PPT. Okay, what is a service operations? It means make sure the deployment must be good. Make sure deployment must be good, but important is maintain, support, troubleshoot. Okay, troubleshoot. So any issues are occur, make it repair, support the customers. If any issues occur, immediately respond to the customers, or monitor the infrastructure, maintain, monitor is also there. Monitor, monitoring. Okay, like that. Next, continual service improvement. What is this continual service improvement? Is supporting above life cycles. Supporting above life cycles means, so it will collect the data. Actually supporting means actually data from above life cycles and supporting above life cycles, and it is very important to improve the life cycles. It means our business. Okay, it is very important to do for support, improve the life cycles, then business to business, customer satisfaction. Okay, customer satisfactions. Okay, like that, it is very important. It means it collect all this data. If some issues occur, so issue solved, how do you troubleshoot, how do you solve the problem, put it in a database. You monitor how the infrastructure is functioning. Okay, everything is good, somewhere it is gone wrong, like that. So collect the data, put it in a database. You designed the services, like that. So what is this? It collect all the data from all the life cycles. It analyze the data. Okay, life cycles data, it analyze the data and it will report the data. It report the data to improve your life cycles. For example, I'm a very new to the constructing a building. So I started a business. I constructed a building. Everything good. Everything is good, no problem. But sometimes I want, there is feel like a, this must be changed. So then it is look very good. Okay, or maybe this water facility must be like this, then building with more clarity. Or maybe if I there is a lot some issues are there, to solve the issues, for next time I will develop a new design, so then problems won't come. Initially we have a smart mobile phones. Lot of issues are there. If you see the smart mobile phones now, issues are very less. Earlier days, the battery is become bulge after using of certain period of time. Best example that is Micromax. Micromax. Battery get overheated. Now, if you take any mobile phone, battery not getting overheated until unless you are using very high. Okay, so that is importance means change of the design. So take the issues, previous issues, monitor the issues, monitor performance of a application or a infrastructure or a machine or a mobile phone or a circuit. Okay, and take the details and improve your design, improve your planning. Then it is effect on your build and deployment, so then it is very good. And of course in a deployment also, how much improvement is increased. Earlier days, you want a software, you have to go and buy the CD. Okay, nowadays we are not doing it. Simply we download, and we pay the money online, we download the software, we can able to use it. Very simple, right? You don't need to go buy a CD and a copy of the CD and insert a CD installation, CD not working properly. Reduce. So moderate. So what is the next level we have to improve the based on the next point of time. Okay, earlier days the screen is a blurry screen, so we will get it. Okay, not much clarity. Now 4K screens are coming. Okay, 55 inches, 65 inches, 4K displays, smart TVs are coming. Okay, so you don't need of something mobile phone to watch a Netflix. You can simply can watch your Netflix in your TV also, right? So you need to go and buy a DVD from the DVD shop. Simply you can watch anything from your online, right? Simply that's my point. So things will be improved when you are analyze the what you are done. So what is the next, what is the report, and based on that you can improve your business, you can improve the customer satisfaction. Okay, you can improve the each and every individual life cycles also. Again guys, I'm going up. ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library. Only remember this thing, okay? Information Technology Infrastructure Library. ITL provide a practical, no nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. This is the fixed one. Important of ITL is you have to understand. Is a important. Okay. Next, benefits of ITL. If you are using an ITL, is improve IT services. Okay, earlier maybe less services, maybe more services now, but quality of the service. Very important thing of ITL is target of ITL is improvement. Next is a quality services. These three things are a four things are there. Customer satisfaction, reduce cost, improve IT services, improve the services, quality of the service we can able to improve, we can reduce the cost and increase the customer satisfaction. We can update or upgrade or use the more skills and experience, so then it is better, we can able to provide a services. If you are providing in a services, the company, your business will get trusted, and based on the trust you can improve the productivity. So normally we say no, your father will tell or a grandfather will tell, go to that shop and you can buy the item from there, because that is the trusted services, because the service is trusted. A lot of cars in the market, right? So a lot of cars are in the market. Buy, but why Tata cars are we will purchase? Why people are purchasing Tata cars, even it is little costlier than other cars? Why? Because of safety, number one. Okay, feature wise little bit less, but safety wise higher. And why Hyundai cars are more selling? recently I got this information, that's why I'm telling guys. Okay, recently people are discussing YouTube and all, why Hyundai cars are more sales point, because of customer care, customer satisfaction. See the differences. Tata, Hyundai, like that is why Maruti cars are very famous. Why? Because of lesser the cost, lesser the cost. Like that, it is every business based on there is a certain point. Yes, service. So important thing is the service is a very important. Tata, Hyundai, like it's just an example purpose only. I'm telling. Okay, so it improve the IT services, reduce the cost. Means over budget cost is there no. Yeah, cost, reduce cost. I will tell a very simple example. Kingfisher Airlines, not Kingfisher beer kind of stuff. Okay, so Kingfisher Airlines, it's very costly services, not useful for moderated customers. Forget about below middle class people. So not even we can't offer because Indigo is 5,000 rupees for a ticket. They are charged 15,000. They increase the cost on a not on a traveling or a safety. They increase the cost on a moderation, means like a luxury seating and all. So luxury not always affordable for everyone. Only luxurious people are movie stars or maybe politicians may can able to offer, but others cannot able to offer, right? So see the Indigo still running. Okay, like that. So they reduce the cost. Last time I get into the flight, that is spice, what is that spice kind of stuff, I forget. Check. Okay, it is also less cost, small size thing, normal seats, and even two three this air hostess kind of stuff only. So what is reduce the cost? Okay guys, so just a minute. And these are the five life cycles. Just read the five life cycles. Why this is okay? So here it is. See this five life cycles: service strategy, service design, service transaction, service operation, continual service improvement. I'm not going to full time taking each individual one. Directly, I'm telling. Service strategy means planning and identifying the business, identify the service which we are providing, plan for the service, how to provide a service, how to give the business to the customer. Financial management is also part of service strategy. Design the service according to the client requirement is by service design life cycle. Okay, build and deploy the service. Okay, once you are designed, you have to build the service and then deploy the service to the customer. And after deployment you must maintain the service. Okay, make sure service should be uh, work and hand over to the customer and should be work fine. And monitor the service, make sure it is continuously working. And support if it is required, any give the support to the customer. And troubleshoot whenever the issues occur. Okay, what is a continual service improvement is simply what are the things happens from service design, sorry, service strategy to services, service strategy, service design, and service transition and service operations. We collect the data and analyze the data and report the data. Okay, so based on that report we can improve the life cycles, so that we can better give good business, better we get a good business, and also customer satisfaction. Supporting a life cycles always to improve the uh, business. Okay, initially we got some issues. Now the issues can be solved in a next time. Okay, so that is the main thing about your ITIL. Okay, it is anybody can able to use ITIL, so that is very simplistic. There are a lot of things are there in these PPTs. Totally six PPTs are there. I am not going to teach. This is the characteristics of ITL, so you can understand. ITL is a non-proprietary, means anybody can able to use. Like your Microsoft Windows is a proprietary of Microsoft, right? If you want to use a Windows operating system, you have to take license from Microsoft. But ITL is not like that. Best practice in industry. A lot of organizations are using ITIL. Okay, vendor neutral means no need to give the money to use ITL. ITL is just a process idea only. Okay, practical approach to service by adopting common frame of practice until like that. It is the thing. Okay, here is a IT service management. Few things you have to keep in mind. What is a IT or a service management related one? Services are a means of delivering value to the customer by facilitating the outcomes. Okay, so you are giving some services. We got some outcome, right? So that is customer want to achieve without a ownership of specific cost and risk. Like I want a refrigerator, I no need to build a refrigerator, right? I have to go and purchase a refrigerator. I want internet, so I no need to put some wire and connect it to all the network, not required. Okay, so simply go for a IT service, internet service provider, take the internet. I want a computer, so I want to build a computer, simply go and buy. So that is no need of ownership of total cost and the risk, simply I want a thing. So very simple to say, people want a quarter inch hole, not a quarter inch drill. It means I want to put some calendar on my wall. I want to put a hole in it. So ask a guy to put a hole. So how he put a hole, that is not my matter. What matter is I want to put a nail on my wall. So then I need that one. So I need what I want. So I need internet. Whatever you do to provide internet, but I want internet to my laptop. That's it. Very simple, right? So that is main. Keep it in mind. So what are the SQs? What are the technology use it? That is not a matter of the customer. Customer want the service, and you should provide a service. IT service management is the implementation management of quality it services, IT services that meets the method of meets the need of business. Okay, benefits of ITSM, cost justified service quality. There are a lot of things are centralized process. That is a very important centralized process. This is a process management related. It become very high. It is very good one, but my point is if I explain, it will take a lot of time. So only thing I am trying to explain is uh, what is ITL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library. It provide a no nonsense framework. It provide a practical no nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. Benefits of ITL: improve IT services, improved IT services, reduce the cost, improve customer satisfaction, improve productivity and use of skills and experiences. ITL has a five life cycles: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operations, continual service improvement. So these are the main thing about your ITIL. Service strategy means identify the business or a service, plan for the business or a service, and also financial support is also there, like plan for how much cost effectiveness. Next, design the service according to the service request and build the service and deploy the service to the customer. After deployment, maintain the service, monitor the service, support the users for a service, and any issues troubleshooting. Okay, collect the information from service strategy to service operations and analyze the data and report the data. So then we can improve the life cycles So then you will get a improvement in the business and customer satisfaction. Long term survival in the industry also is possible if you analyze your business in the all parts. That's it, guys. That is about your ITIL phase 1. Okay.